Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So I want to explain something that happened today that I was really excited about. As many of you know, I have a shop which is hobbyrocks.co.uk, and it's been going, I don't know, just over a year I suppose now. Can't remember the actual date. It kind of started a little bit premature when one of my subscribers, the lovely Alison, found my site and ordered before I was ready to go. So in the initial stages, I did have a few teething problems because I didn't even have any postage on there. But everything is sorted and, you know, things are cool. Now, my shipping is weight-based. So in the UK, it's pretty standard. Unless it's really heavy, it will just go up to the next notch. But if you're shipping worldwide, then it's weight based, so if you don't go crazy, the shipping is quite manageable. So, you know, obviously I've been doing recently some as well as mystery boxes, which I've had from the beginning. I've been doing Santa sacks, and you might have seen them, you might have seen the ads for them because I've done a few little bits and pieces about them. But basically I have two sizes and two types. So this one usually sits at the back there, and this is the small one, and this one is pre-filled, but I sell it as well empty for you to fill. So you've got two options: I pre-fill it or you choose it. Now you can then send that wherever you want. You can have it sent to yourself, so you can give it to somebody. Someone can order it for you and have it sent to you. You know, say like your husband, for instance. You can just say, I want one of those, and he can get a pre-filled one. I'll send it anywhere. The only problem I've got with that is if you order yarn for yourself and then order this for someone, then it'll all have to go to you because I can't split different postages. So yeah, I have filled, which I choose the yarn, empty, which you choose the yarn, and I think that's pretty cool. Now this one you'll find under mystery boxes, this one you'll find under accessories. This one is exempt from my voucher code, which is below, valid until the end of December. Obviously I will have more voucher codes coming up. This one, because you're choosing the yarn yourself, you can use the voucher code for. But that's not all. I have this one, which is the one that was unboxed live this morning. Well, I say live, it was a video that I watched, and the lovely Laurie did her unboxing or unbagging, her Santa sacking, which the lovely Deb sent to her. And this is the other one. This is the large one. So we've got small and we've got large ones. Again, pre-filled in the mystery boxes section of my website, empty for you to fill yourself in the accessories part. Now I do have a pop-up that just, as it might suggest, pops up at the beginning when you first log on to my website. I'll tell you about that in a minute. I'm going to sneeze, guys. Oh, it's really tickly. Yeah, so I do have a pop-up, so that kind of, you can get there from that if you want to. It's got links on it. So this was the first one of the large ones I ever stuffed, and I did put a little bit too much in, so it doesn't look quite as good at the top, but it does hold quite a bit. You can put some accessories in there. If you want to watch Laurie's video, I'm going to put a link to that at the bottom so you can find it. And so yeah, it was quite good watching her undo. That was a pre-filled that Deb bought for her, and I shipped it to her directly with a little card inside explaining. And the pre-filled one, obviously I chose the yarn, so I really wanted to know if she liked it, and thank the Lord she loved it all, so that was good. Now obviously you can email me from my website. You can email me in the videos. I normally put an email address, or there's one at the end of my channel. Oh, that sneeze. So you can email me and say, please can you try to put Aran weight yarns, 4 weight yarns, please can you put some sport weight yarn, please can you put some chunky yarn, things like that, and then I know. But If it's the pre-filled, it's just my choices, which is what she had. Obviously, when it comes to the empty ones, you put it what you want in it. Small and large. And they are quite cool. When I saw these little sacks, I just had to get them. I really did. I had to get them because they're perfect for a little present for somebody or a big present for somebody, and not so little. They're great for Secret Santa. So if you had a Secret Santa and you only had a little budget, then this is your one. You can have, there's always a few kind of little accessories inside as well. So you've got small, can't hold it, it's that heavy, and a large one. Those are the two choices, and empty or pre-filled. So I'm going to put in the bottom a link to my website, hobbyrocks.co.uk. I ship worldwide. As you know, there is a voucher code under. If you're choosing the empty one or you know, any other yarn, you can use the voucher code to the end of December. It's not valid on mystery boxes or the bags because they're pre-filled, and I try and put as much lovely yarn as I possibly can inside them. So, and also in there you will find a link to Laurie and her video. It is the Armchair Chef Laurie, and it's a lovely unboxing. So that's kind of what I wanted to show you, really. Obviously, I have lots of other gorgeous yarns, not just Santa sacks and mystery boxes. There are loads and loads and loads of different brands, lots of accessories, lots of everything. I've got cross stitches and diamond paintings. So obviously, if you wanted to buy a mystery box, well, a Santa sack rather, that was empty, fill it yourself, you can put that in there. You can put anything you want in, and all that is, you know, there can be kind of put in, as long as you keep to the amount shown. Each listing will show you how much it will take and what you can put in it. So thank you for watching, and hopefully you'll watch Laurie and the smile. And it was great watching, because at first she was confused. Did I order something and not remember? Yeah. Is this from Tracy? And you know, it was kind of great watching that thought process and her realization when she got the card. So yeah, great stuff. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. I don't think I pressed the button properly. My bad.